All right, she's hot out.
She's warm.
We got the rock picker. You gonna pick rocks today?
Picking rocks.
Yeah, that's where the AC is.
Yeah.
Don't ruin the AC.
It's gone.
It's hot out. We need the AC.
One of the 4 AC units down there is done.
She's gone. Anyways, what's up, guys? How's it going? So it's been a busy week, but yeah, we're still crushing it. Brad has decided it's time. He wants to drive the Maverick.
I'm gonna call it Ricky.
And what aren't we gonna do today, Brad?
We're not gonna roll it more than 3 times.
More than 3 times.
Slow rolls.
Brad rolled the Yamaha slowly. He does
Slowly.
very slowly.
Slow roll.
So today, we're not gonna do that.
No.
We're just gonna keep it in a straight line.
I don't like hanging upside down.
Don't turn fast.
No.
Because things catch and then you flip.
I think I'm gonna get some airtime.
All right?
No, probably not.
Yeah.
Where's the women's key? Can I use that?
I'll grab you the women's key. It goes a bit slower. I imagine it doesn't go much slower, but anyways, yeah, we got a lot going on. So we're gonna rip down there. I got the drone. I just cleaned the Maverick too, Brad. Like, look how shiny it is. Look how shiny it is. So, anyways, yeah, I got the drone. We're gonna try and get some drone footage, and then later on in the next video, we're gonna jump. I think we should jump the Grand Prix today. What do you think?
Yeah.
I'm thinking it's Grand Prix jumping time.
Yeah.
We have the we have the Saturn. Oh, I just got an email. We're getting a PT Cruiser. We got the Durango, and we got the Grand Prix. And since the tires are shredded off the Saturn, I don't really want to change tires today.
No, we're done changing tires.
Yeah, actually, I might change them later today because I gotta take a skid steer down there. So while I'm down there, maybe I'll just bring my couple of. Are you done there?
Just checking. It's good to go.
Is that your workout?
Good to go. Yeah.
Yeah, so while I'm down there later today doing some grooming, maybe I'll swap those tires out quick. I'll bring the old Makita down. Hey? That thing changes tires quick. But anyways, let's fire this thing up. We'll head down there and we'll drink some Rockstar.
What's this little thing I see here?
I went to...
That's a new hot steel.
Freaking garbage picker.
She's right on top.
Yeah.
Like you put it there on purpose.
I did. I placed the hot steel right on top just to make it jealous.
It is garbage, but it deserves to be at the top.
Yeah, I was at the gym yesterday and it's beside Canadian Tire, so I walked over to Canadian Tire. Bought some fishing lures because on the weekend I used hot steel, the Rapala X-Wrap, and I went 3 for 3. Boom, boom, boom. And then, of course, the third pike stole my lures, so.
The third log, the log pike.
Oh, it was not a log pike. It must have had some sharp teeth, that log. Why is there a bee in here? Get out of here. Stupid bee. All right, fire it up. All right, I'm gonna make Brad shit himself.
Well, I just had a good one, so pretty empty.
Yeah, well, we'll find some. Anyways, I'll take you for a few laps and I'll let you drive and we'll do the drone stuff. And yeah, what a beauty day.
This is a nice day. The breeze is nice down here.
Yeah, it's nice. If it was just dead, no wind, it would be super hot. But this breeze is spot on, that's for sure. Yeah, I don't think the back tire's gonna last very long in this thing.
You don't think so?
No. Especially the way I drive it.
Yeah.
You gotta lift those goggles up there, Brad.
Where? They go up. I think they slide. Where are you going? Right here?
Go up there.
Oh, jeez.
Not that high.
Right here.
No. You go like up here. Around there.
That's where I was going.
Oh, you were down here. All right.
All right.
Let's
Up
go.
with the goggles.
Let's go first.
Let's go. think after that.
This
Got a little blue heron here.
Plains is doing laps. We got blue heron. Got Brad. Should we check your shorts so they're not brown?
They're not brown, but that's twice as fast as I'll go around at least.
How was that?
That's amazing.
You like it better than the Yamaha?
Oh, that thing is so much better than Yamaha. The Yamaha would have been upside down a few times there.
The Yamaha was fun, but
it was fun.
This thing's just next level.
It just felt tippier. This thing feels a little more.
I don't feel like I'm gonna tip at all in this thing. I just come around a corner wide open and.
Yeah, I did a couple times, but.
Brad thought I was gonna tip it, but I got a lot more hours on down here than you.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, that was nice. It is friggin' hot out.
It is hot.
So what are our predictions for that car? You think it's gonna fly?
Does it still got lots of life in it?
Oh yeah, plenty of life.
It's gonna fly.
We just lost them.
They're heavy though, eh?
I know.
Like.
Oh yeah. The thing is, last time we jumped to Grand Prix, I started like where I usually start, but this time I'm gonna start like 20 feet before.
Yeah.
Because we figured it out, the safety thing, that it won't shift from neutral to drive wide open, like it will, but it goes boom. But as soon as it hits 10 or 15 kilometers an hour, that's when it kicks in. I think it's just like a safety thing so you don't tranny drop and spin the tires. But I think if I just start higher, then it'll have that extra speed. So that's gonna be a completely different video. That'll be in the next video.
Yeah,
so.
that'll be the next one.
Anyways, should we fire up this? Hey, watch the paint.
Hey, I gotta get a dent in every car.
Just not this thing.
Not this thing.
All right, let's. We'll put the drone in the sky, and then I'll chase you around.
Let's do it.
All right.
Automatic, eh?
Yeah, just put her in H.
And go.
And go. Don't turn too hard. Don't try anything stupid. Just run up and down the middle a few times. I'll chase you, and then maybe go around the edge of the, or over there where we came through.
There'll be a lot slower turns, I think. Than
Yeah.
But
When you come up the middle, go fast. We want to get that dust.
What's that?
When you come up the middle lane there, just do it fast so we can get some good dust flying. All right, so we're up. Look at the dust is coming off the corners. Whoop! Soft out the car. Did about 15 laps, and then I think he saw us flying the drone around. He took off. It was probably just hill flying around.
It probably is.
He usually does it the legal way and stays 500 feet above, but I've seen planes literally rip like probably 30 feet above the ground, just flying through here.
See, I thought the opposite. I thought if it was hill, he'd probably come ripping about.
There's another plane.
Same one, isn't it?
No, like two planes just passed. So I don't know. Maybe they re-redded the.
You know what? Surprise! I ordered you an air photo shoot today.
Come on!
Yeah, I did.
No!
I did. 2-for-1 deal on Wednesdays.
2 for 1 on
Yeah.
Wednesday. It's Wednesday?
I don't know what it is. Is it Wednesday?
I think it is.
It is today.
Hey, Blur.
That's a different one.
Well, should we, we'll throw down another GoPro lap in the Maverick, and then we'll wrap this video up and continue on to the next one.
Let's go.
It's Grand Prix time after that. Hey, watch the paint.
Watch the paint.
All right, you ready for another lap, Brad? Is that a yes? Yes. Okay. Yes. You ready? Are you gonna put your phone away, or?
I'm gonna do a snap.
Are we doing a Snapchat?
Lori just remind me to text Lori back.
All right, guys.
It's on
remind
video.
Brad to text Lori back.
Yeah.
like so.
Holy smokes.
All right, well that just about wraps it up for today for this video.
That's it, boys and girls.
Whew, that was a little hard. I wore that instead of wearing my helmet. Guys always wear your helmet, but instead of wearing mine, I wore the GoPro for that shot. And I didn't realize I probably should have wore goggles or sunglasses because it was just, bugs hit me and dust and I could barely see. I was just squinting the whole time. But anyways, Brad, what do you think? Last thoughts?
That thing flies. Give me 2 more reps on it.
Couple more reps?
And I'll beat your time. Cut your time in half, and I'll beat your time.
Okay. Well, we're going to wrap this up for now. Make sure you guys check out the links below. Oh, I didn't show my new shirt. Brad, show my new shirt.
There, let's check it out.
This is my new shirt.
There it is.
This is the Team 408 edition. You know, I went with a little baby blue this time.
Yeah.
Probably not the best choice for down the track.
It makes you look slimmer.
Does it?
Yeah, I think so.
I feel slimmer.
You're a little slimmer from the weekend, though.
Yeah, I'm probably dehydrated.
Yeah.
But other than that, yeah, check out the links below. Support the team, pick up yourself a t-shirt. And we'll be in Minnesota at the Mud Nationals next week if you guys want to come. Check us out. This thing will be there and it'll be all wrapped up. The new wrap that's coming from ECD. So if you want to get your Maverick wrapped or your side-by-side or truck, check out ECD Customs below.